Complete Guide to Coleus Plants, 7 Unique Benefits, and How They Can Add Value to Your Garden. SideGardening.com. Coleus is a genus of flowering plants belonging to the Lamiaceae family. They are native to tropical regions from Africa to Asia and Australia but have been introduced to many parts of the world. The history of Coleus and its uses can be traced back to ancient Egypt, where it was used as a medicinal herb. The Egyptians also used it as an ingredient in their cosmetics, and it was believed that Coleus could cure leprosy in medieval Europe and hence called herb of grace. Coleus care and maintenance. Warm climate gardeners may grow Coleus as perennials. It grows into small shrub-like plants with thick woody stems. Though it prefers warmth, it will grow happily in almost any weather condition as long as it's not extreme. Coleus plants, however, are not frost tolerant, so don't put them in the ground too soon after winter. They thrive in rich, loose, well-drained soil. Therefore, amending the soil with compost or adding perlite before planting is recommended unless you have excellent soil. Water and light requirement. Plants in the Coleus family typically grow in part shade to full sun, although its light exposure can vary. Newer varieties, such as the Wizard series, thrive in full sun. In most traditional Coleus cultivars, too much sunday may burn the leaves and cause the color to fade or discolor. Coleus thrives in filtered early light and afternoon shade, especially in hot areas. Strive to provide more light for indoor plants, especially when your plant is located further from window or light source. This plant loves soil that is regularly moist, rich, and well-draining. Amend the soil with compost or similar organic material before planting. A good quality potting mix will do just fine for your potted plants and ensure that the container has good drainage. Container-grown Coleus prefer loose textured potting soil, and it's always a good idea to start with a high-quality mix with a pH range of 6 to 7. 7 Unique Benefits of Coleus. Asthma. According to some research, inhaling forskolin, a substance derived from the Coleus plant, may help to enhance breathing. In some studies, it has been shown that taking forskolin by mouth can help prevent asthma attacks, but other studies have found no benefit. Dry eyes. According to preliminary studies, taking a specific combination supplement, including Coleus, for 30 days may result in a moderate reduction in dry eye symptoms compared to taking a placebo. Erectile dysfunction. Erectile dysfunction is a condition in which the male sexual function is impaired. Early studies suggest that injecting Coleus into the base of the penis in conjunction with other medications can improve sexual function in males with erectile dysfunction. High blood pressure. High blood pressure is a medical condition. According to the researchers, early research suggests that ingesting Coleus root tuber for 2 months can result in a modest reduction in blood pressure in senior adults who have high blood pressure. Glaucoma. According to the researchers, early research reveals that taking a specific combo supplement containing forskolin may have a negligible effect on the blood pressure in the eyes of persons who have glaucoma. Heart function. According to some research, injecting forskolin, a chemical found in the Coleus plant, into the bloodstream can enhance the heart's function in persons who have a heart ailment known as congestive cardiomyopathy. Obesity. Taking a specific Coleus supplement, according to preliminary findings, does not result in weight loss but does cause a minor reduction in body fat in overweight and obese males. Pests and diseases. These plants are susceptible to many different kinds of pests and diseases. These include aphids, leaf hoppers, spider mites, mealybugs, and whiteflies. Aphids are a severe issue for your Coleus because they eat away the plant sap, causing yellowing of the leaves or death of the plant. As well as sucking sap from the plant, leaf hoppers, on the other hand, inject toxins that weaken it, making it easier for other pests to attack it. Spider mites will suck sap from the underside of leaves where it's harder for humans to see them, which means that they can be a significant pest. Coleus is a favorite of groundhogs and juvenile rabbits. Nevertheless, if you protect your plants early in the season, these pests will usually move to other plants by midsummer. Humidity and temperature. Coleus thrives in warm, humid conditions because it is a tropical plant. Even the slightest hint of freeze will result in the death of plants in temperate regions. When temps fall into the 50s or below, bring plants indoors and cover them with blankets. Trimming. When your plant is about 6 inches tall, pinch out extra growing tips to create a full, bushy plant. Pinching beneath the growing tips allows your plant to concentrate its resources in growing its leaves and stems. Fertilizer and feeding. You may not need to regularly feed Coleus plants if they were planted in quality soil. Add a balanced slow-release fertilizer or plant food to your soil if it is deficient in nutrients. Growing Coleus from seed is simple. Be patient, as it might take 21 days for the seeds to germinate. It will take 3 to 4 weeks of warm weather once seedlings emerge for them to grow into fully formed plants. Spread the small seeds over a tray filled with potting mix, then lightly cover with dirt. Place the tray in a bright, warm place for 2 weeks or until seedlings appear and continue growing the plants in moist soil. Transplant seedlings into their own pots and take care of them until they are ready to be placed in a garden or indoor location. Please like and subscribe for more informative videos. Thanks for watching.